Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. Today we're going to make Suspiro de Limeña. It's a Peruvian dessert. It means the sigh of a Lima lady. Woman. Lady, whatever, yeah. The sigh of a woman from Lima, Peru. So obviously, you know, I'm assuming it's supposed to be a nice sweet... Not like, ugh. So basically it's kind of dulce de leche type pudding with a port flavored meringue on top. I had to buy port for the first time, which I don't drink. And even when I did drink, I wasn't a wine person. So I literally went to the store and I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure that port is like a type of wine, like a Merlot, etc. But I was getting down the line of wines and I still hadn't seen it. And then I started second guessing myself and I was just like, is it like a subsection? Like, am I supposed to be looking for like a Merlot, like a port? I have no idea. I finally got to the literal last little chunk and I found the one port that they had at the store and I was like, okay. Yeah. Like I know culinarily, you know, I should be somewhat familiar with different sort of alcohols that are used in foods, but you know, like as a blanket thing, not drinking has made me quite ignorant to that whole thing. It's like a dry wine. I'm like, but it's wet. No? Let's do this! Okay, we are all done. I am very warm. I had to help my wife load an auger into the back of the truck. Totally dressed for it. But anyways, this is what we got. It smells good. The port meringue kind of turned a slight gray color. So that's a little weird, but I don't know. That's pretty good. The like the pudding by itself was quite sweet. So I was just like, oh, that's gonna be like, you know, diabetes type sweet, but the meringue balances it out. I get it now. Okay. Don't get me wrong. Oh, I just got a big mouthful. It's still very sweet. It's a very rich dessert. As my grandmother would say, it is richer than 4 foot up a bull's ass. That's just one of those sayings, like, you don't really want to evaluate that much. God, look how, that's it. We're dwindling, man. All right. Oh, shit. All right. Yeah, so next week we're doing Haiti. I don't know what it is. I literally don't. I'm gonna assume that it's not a dessert, just because, you know, some of them I went back through and did. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna find out. It's gonna be great. Next week we're doing Haiti. It is just as much of a surprise to you as it is to me, so we'll see what it is. I think I'm gonna go take a cold shower because I feel like I am melting right now and it is extremely uncomfortable. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, you know, like and subscribe, which would be totally cool. Hope you guys are doing great, etc., etc. I'll see you next Tuesday. Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. I used to work with a guy that was from Lima. Fun fact. I gave him the nickname of Raincoat, which I'm not explaining. Mm-hmm.